Hey folks, I'm really lucky because I'm living in my own house on my own piece of land, but not really. The house belongs to my mom and she got really sick lately. She had to go through a knee surgery and now I have to help more than I had to help before. And the one chore I hated the most since I was a kid is mowing the lawn. Lawnmowers are loud and noisy, they never work when they should be. And seriously, I rather want to do cool custom paintings than pushing a lawnmower through my garden. So I made a decision and I bought my mother a really cool thing. And what comes in front of the box is Sasha, my Ridgeback, and in the box is the Neomow X from Hookii, an electric GPS controlled lawn robot with LiDAR sensor. And I was super skeptical at first, wondering if what I bought was just basically a Nobel Prize toy, but hey, we will see. First I need to find a good spot for the charging station and I think I've already got one. Just gotta sweep away all the leaves real quick. And I'm just gonna screw the charging station right into the patio. That is important so the robot won't push it around while parking and can always find it in exactly the same spot. And if you're wondering what the blue bar on the charging station is, that's the reflector for the LiDAR sensor, which helps the robot to find the exact spot to dock and charge. So let's find out what my mom thinks about it, but I guess she will like it. And at next I have to do a setup and I have to connect the mower with the mowing app. The first run with the Neomow is actually super fun. Just open the app to set up the areas you wanted to mow and then you have two joysticks in the app to drive it around like a remote controlled car to mark all the boundaries. And you can even connect multiple zones if you have a huge garden like I have, and you can set up also no-go areas for stuff like trees or a fire pit like I have in my garden. And the real big question is, will the Neomow also be friends with my Ridgeback Sasha? It seems that Sasha doesn't care much about it, but the Neomow comes with the LiDAR sensor, a super helpful tool which avoids any collision. It scans the area with a laser and if there's any obstacle in the mowing area, the Neomow will drive around it. As you can see, it drives around Sasha, even myself, and if there's any stick left, Sasha tends to leave big sticks in the garden, as you can imagine when you have a big dog. The Neomow won't drive over it, it will avoid the sticks by scanning it with the LiDAR sensor. The cool thing about the Neomow is also that you can avoid all my molehills. As you can see, I have some moles in my garden and thanks to the LiDAR sensor and the optical avoidance, the Neomow is able to circle around these hills and that's what I like. And you can do also a lot of settings in there, for example the mowing height, and it's super easy to adjust from 3 to 8.5 centimeter. So in autumn I will set the mowing height to 8.5 centimeter because of all the leaves in my garden. And what's up? Do you want to talk about the mower? Yeah? So, what do you want to say? And in summertime, of course, 3 or 4 centimeter, super easy with just one click. Sasha, what's up? Okay, I think that's enough. I have to go on a walk here with Sasha. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like the lawnmower and keep in mind it's a good idea to buy one in autumn or winter time because in spring everybody wants one and now you can save some bucks. So check my link in the video description and see you. I will go on a walk with Sasha because he's so impatient. Yeah. Goodbye.